Hi, this is Cheryl and I'm here at Rudy Toyota in Golden Valley, Minnesota. And today we're going to talk about the redesigned 2021 Toyota Sienna. Now what's new and interesting about this Sienna is that it only comes available in a hybrid engine. And what that means to you is that you're going to get 36 miles per gallon combined fuel economy in the front wheel drive, 35 in the all-wheel drive. Now we're going to go over the XLE trim level here. This is a midline trim level, most popular I would say amongst our guests. There are different trim levels available, the LE, the XLE, the XSE, the Limited, and the Platinum. So we're going to go over to the front end here. You're going to have standard LED headlights. You can see the redesigned grille. There's some fog lights under here. And this has front parking sensors, and in the back there's going to be rear parking sensors. When it comes to safety, Toyota has 2.0 safety sense with all of their models. And what that includes is pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, automatic high beams, dynamic radar cruise control, and lane departure alert with steering assist. Now these come equipped with a passive entry system, so all you need to do is keep the key fob in your pocket, in your bag. You come up to the door handle, you open it up, and it automatically unlocks. Now inside here, you're going to have some different color options available. This one happens to be a two-tone gray. You have optional dual power seats here, so your passenger has a power seat. You can see in here, what I love about this is the storage that they have. So inside here, you're going to have a tray. You have multiple cup holders. Something unique about this vehicle is there is 12 cup holders in the Toyota Sienna. So this also has a bridge center console that they created. You can stow your bag. You can put anything additional items that you want there that won't roll around. So you're going to have an infotainment system with so many electronics, and we'll go over some more of that when we get onto the inside of the cabin. We're going to work our way around. This now has a segment first kickstart to open this passenger power sliding door. So all you'll do is wiggle your foot under there, as long as you have the key in your pocket or close to you, and it'll open up the door. So these seats here, they are going to slide back and forth 25 inches fore and aft. As you can see how easy that is to maneuver and move. Now there is an availability of an ottoman with some different trim levels. You can see right here that the pocket storage on the inside right there. For if you want to put a cell phone, you can put a sippy cup, a baby bottle. And then inside at the center console, you're going to have two power outlets. You have a USB, a USB-C, some additional cup holders. There's also the availability of having a refrigeration cooling system in the upgraded trim levels, and even a Toyota vac. Now this comes in the 7-passenger seating, but you can also get the 8-passenger seating and depending on the trim level. If you notice right here, you have the grab bar. You have the adults can grab up top, or older children. And what's nice about this one is it has this lower grab bar here for the littles, so they can do everything by themselves, which they love to do. You can either close the door right there. There's also a button on the door here. All you need to do again is have the keys close to your body. We're going to work our way around to the back. Standard is going to be a backup camera. Also available on upper trim levels is going to be a bird's eye view camera if you choose. So you can either do the kick, or you can go ahead and use the button right here to open. Now if you can see right here for the rear parking sensors, tons of storage in here. So as you can see, you can hang grocery bags right here so that way they don't roll around. Here's for the optional spare tire. And I'm going to go over how simple and easy these seats are to fold down. They even number them for you, 1 and 2. Super easy. Again, I'm not using much strength at all. Push them down. So now even with some seats moved forward, you can see the additional storage space that you have. And then on the 3rd row, you can see you have also another USB and C, additional cup holders. So one of the features that are available that this Sienna can do is tow 3,500 pounds. A minivan to tow 3,500 pounds will get you to a boat, a small trailer, whatever your needs may be. We're going to walk around and look at some of the styling that they did. So you can see the tail lights are very sleek, and they did some additional lines throughout to give it a nice, bold, stylish look. Down here, we're going to look at the tires. You can see they have 17-inch wheels on here. You have different options available depending on the trim level. Go on to the other power sliding door, and one of the things you can notice is that there are shades for your passengers on not only the second row, but it does have them back in the third row. Standard, you're going to have side blind zone alert as well as rear cross traffic alert. I'm going to go ahead and get onto the inside of the cabin. You can see you have your power driver's seat. It also has lumbar. Well, now that we're inside the interior of the cabin, I want to go over some of the features that are in here. Again, this is the XLE trim level. There are different trim levels available. I'm just going to go over what is in this one, and I'll go over some of the things that are optional and available to you. So as you can look above here, we have the sunroof, and we're going to just work our way down. This is power sliding door buttons. There's also an SOS button. That way, if you or somebody on the road is needing assistance, you can hit that button right there. This is the auto dimming rear mirror. Available is also a rear camera mirror. So if you have a lot of people inside the cabin, you can push forward a button here and see behind the vehicle without all the people sitting here inside. We're going to go down to the infotainment system. This is equipped with navigation. There's different apps that are available, whichever is compatible with your phone. It has Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You can control the climate up here or down low here. This is a triple zone climate in this particular vehicle. Heated seats are available. Also ventilated seats, or air conditioned seats as some people like to refer to them as. There's a wireless charging station here for your phone, and then there's actually a holder for your phone in that cup holder right there. Multiple cup holders in this vehicle. Again, 12 cup holders in here. 2 here, a couple more here. And if we open this here, there's also going to be a USB and a USB-C charging port. So this is an automatic transmission, and there's 3 modes available. There's a normal mode, an eco mode, and then there's also a sport mode where you can manually go ahead and adjust the transmission for whatever you prefer. You have an electronic parking brake. There's also a parking hold button here, so if you're at a stoplight or stop sign, you can push that button and release your foot off of the brake pedal. We're going to go ahead to the steering column. This is a tilt and telescoping steering wheel. And on the right-hand side, we have your cruise control. You have some radio controls here, lane departure warning button right there. And on the left-hand side, you're going to have your Bluetooth. You have volume for your sound system, as well as the indicators here for your cluster and your information station, where you can see your tire pressures, your trips, your fuel economy. Now, we do live in Minnesota, so available on these models is also a heated steering wheel, which is one of my favorite features. We are super excited about the redesign of the 2021 Toyota Sienna, and so are our guests. If you have any questions or I've missed anything, want to schedule a test drive, please reach out to us. We are in Golden Valley, Minnesota. Again, my name is Cheryl. Feel free to give us a call, or you can find us online at rudyluthertoyota.com.